In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Chrome extension. By the end, you'll be able to install the extension, connect it to your account, track and log emails from your inbox, and see contact insights without leaving your browser. Start by installing the HubSpot Sales extension from the Chrome Web Store. In Chrome, open the Web Store, search for HubSpot Sales, and choose the official extension from HubSpot. Click Add to Chrome, then Confirm. Once it's added, you'll see the HubSpot icon available in your browser. If you don't see it right away, open the puzzle piece menu in the toolbar and pin the HubSpot icon so it's always visible. Pinning isn't required, but it makes the extension easier to access while you work. Click the HubSpot icon in your browser to open the extension. This is your control panel for tracking, logging, and viewing CRM information. If it's your first time using it, the extension will prompt you to sign in and connect to your HubSpot account. Log in with your HubSpot credentials and confirm any prompts to grant the extension the permissions it needs. Make sure you choose the correct HubSpot portal if you have access to more than one. After you sign in, the extension will stay connected, so you'll be ready to use it in your inbox. Now open your email inbox in Chrome. The extension works great with Gmail and Outlook on the web. Once your inbox loads, you'll notice HubSpot controls appear when you compose or reply to an email. If you don't see them, refresh the page after logging in and check that the extension is enabled. When you compose an email, enable tracking to get real-time open and click notifications. This is perfect for knowing if and when a recipient engages with your message. You can also enable logging to automatically save the email to the contact's timeline in HubSpot, keeping your CRM tidy and up to date. Use logging thoughtfully. Log to HubSpot when the conversation should be part of your customer record, and turn it off for private or internal notes. If available, choose which contact, company, or deal to associate your email with for cleaner reporting later. While in your inbox, open the HubSpot sidebar to view contact details and recent activity. You can see key properties, past emails, notes, meetings, and tasks right alongside your message. This context helps you personalize replies and follow up confidently without switching tabs. That's it. Install the extension, sign in, work from your inbox, track and log as needed, and use the sidebar for instant insights. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more streamlined workflow with HubSpot and Chrome.